Hey everyone, today I have a really quick review on this runner's phone holder armband. The unique feature though about this particular armband is the fact that it has a detachable piece. You can easily push down to rotate your phone out of the actual armband, so you have to detach your phone. It's a pretty easy process. Plus you can also just rotate it 360 degrees for either landscape or portrait mode operation whenever you need to. So not much really to unbox, but just to show you guys what it looks like right out of the packaging. You of course get the instruction manual with some really nice graphics, so it's very easy to understand how to use this. So as with any phone armband, you can see there is this rubbery portion that would allow you to place your phone in, and then you would secure it with the rubber straps at all the corners. On the Amazon listing, it says that this is compatible even with bigger phones. Right now I'm just demoing my iPhone 7. But according to the website, it is able to support screen sizes up to 6.5 inches in diameter. Once you have securely fit in your phone, you can see there's a little bit of resistance when you turn it, just to make sure it doesn't randomly rotate when you're running, which is definitely a good thing. And then pushing down a little bit like you would with like a pill bottle will release the phone from the armband. And then to put it back, you can kind of see a little bit when I'm demoing here that there's a very faint magnet in between, so it helps you align it better to put it back in place, which is very simple to do. Well, on one side of the armband next to the phone is actually a little Velcro slot where you can do some cable management for your wired earphones. I did experiment with just trying out my AirPods, which of course don't have a wire, to see if they would be able to securely hold them in place, and I would not feel very comfortable just putting them in like that. It's not definitely kind of loose. So this is definitely more for managing the cable length of your wired earphones when you're running. One other feature this band has is a little slot that you can put basically only one key for, so one or maybe two keys depending on how big they are. So if you're out running, you don't want to worry about having to carry things in a pocket or a purse or something like that. It's convenient to just be able to put your key right there, and the strap can kind of go over it as well. And briefly mentioning the strap, the interior lining is very soft and it's flexible. Even down to the back plating, which is curved, you can see, of the phone mount. So it's definitely very comfortable to wear. It's not something that I find irritation with when I'm running. I would say that it's just because I have kind of narrower arms that this is a little bit on the big side, so I have to loop it in twice through like so in order for it to properly fit my arm. But it is definitely very flexible, so this is something that can be used on people with very large biceps as well. So overall, I can truly recommend this armband. I think the only thing that might deter some people is the fact that the phone is a little bit more elevated from your body just because of the rotation mechanism. But I didn't see any kind of wiggle issues at all when I'm running, exercising outside. So definitely think that this is worth a look. As usual, the link is in the description if you guys are interested.